Hello friend, are you able to track all your monthly expenses? Can you visualize how much have you saved up for emergency? Or do you know if your savings has increased or decreased compared to previous month? If you are finding it challenging to manage your finances, you are not alone. Many people struggles because they keep their money scattered across different accounts or rely on multiple credit cards for their spending. So they end up spending more because they are not able to visualize how much cash balance they have for the month. But let me tell you, it's a wonderful feeling of accomplishment and peace of mind when you see your funds growing. In this video, we are here to help you with some simple tips on budgeting and save money. Hello friends, welcome to Invest Money UAE, where we make personal finance and investing easy to understand. We believe that everyone deserves to have a good understanding of their finances, and we are here to help you towards achieving your financial goals. So if you're ready to take control of your money, stay tuned and let's dive into some practical strategies that will make budgeting and saving a breeze. So the first tip is all about creating a realistic budget. Many people does not start because they are afraid to see expenses and how much money left for the month. But I will suggest to start today. Take small step and keep going like a snowball. Try with just capturing high level categories like recreation, groceries, bills, transportation. This will not reduce your expenses but definitely reduce your stress and give you a clear picture of where your money is going so that you can plan accordingly. Then from later months, start allocating some amount to different categories such as housing, transportation, grocery and saving. You can use any expense tracking app or simply download my template given in description. Your budget is your roadmap to financial success. Budgeting can help reduce financial stress and improve overall well-being. Next step, we have 50-30-20 rule. This was popularized by US Senator Elizabeth Warren in her book All Your Worth: Ultimate Lifetime Money Plan. This technique helps you strike a balance between your needs, wants and savings. Write your net earning after tax and states that 50% of your earning should be spent on your everyday essential needs such as rent, mortgage, food, healthcare. 30% goes on variable, non-essential expenses like shopping, vacation, socializing, etc. 20% should be saved and invested. Some people can choose to use 30% for saving, investment and paying off any debt and 20% for their discretionary spending. Check your current financial situation. See if it fits this 50-30-20 rule. If it's close, good job, keep going. If you are not close, don't panic, but start to make changes that bring your monthly budget into line with this rule. It's a simple rule that paves the way for the financial stability. This rule can help individuals prioritize saving while still enjoy discretionary spending. It's easy to make saving plans on your own, but the key is to keep it simple, and the best way to do this is to make it a habit. That's our tip 3. So plan to save regularly, 20% of your monthly income if you can. Set up automatic transfers from your paycheck to a dedicated saving account. Make SIPs if you invest in mutual funds. Automatic savings or investment transfers can help overcome the temptation to spend money that could be saved and can create a set it and forget it approach, making it easier to build a consistent savings habit. By doing this, you are making saving a priority without even thinking about it. It's like having a money superhero working behind the scenes. Now tip 4. Time to put your saving skills into action. Take a close look at your discretionary spending and identify areas where you can cut back. Maybe it's reducing those fancy coffee runs, bidding farewell to unnecessary subscriptions. Just remember, every penny saved is a step closer to your financial goals. I'm not saying to give up all the fun or completely remove dinners with friends, holidays or movie, but just reducing the number of time you are going out for movie or eat out with friends will give you more to save. It's about finding a balance between enjoying life and saving for the future, and you will see a big upswing in what you can save each month. Now last but not the least, tip 5. Whether you are using Excel, cash envelopes or digital tracking apps to manage your finances, it's still important to check whether you are on track or not. Take time each month to look at your plan, assess whether you are budgeting or saving roughly in line with 50-30-20 rule. Ensure you only spend what's been allocated in the budget. Check how much left for you to spend in a month. By reviewing your progress, you will stay on track or learn when you need to take action to fix something if you have strayed off the path. So congratulations, you have mastered the top 5 techniques for budgeting and saving like a true champion. Remember, it's all about taking small steps consistently. Start implementing these techniques today and watch as your financial confidence soars to a new heights. Join us on this thrilling adventure to financial success and stay tuned for more exciting tips and tricks on our channel. Until then, keep budgeting and saving like a rock star. Once again, thank you for joining us today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more epic financial adventures. And as always, feel free to leave your comments, question down below. Until next time, stay financially empowered and keep reaching for the stars.